Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo, and today I'm joining in on a collaboration challenge called Jewelry Making Fun, or is it Fun Making Jewelry? I never can remember, but it is hosted by Deb Houck of Dahlia Designs, and she has asked us to use the color either black or brown and to make a set. So I am actually at my mom's house visiting for a few weeks, and I brought some jewelry making supplies. And fortunately, I brought some stuff that I can actually create for this challenge. We have these beads. Aren't these cool? I just love them. We've got browns in there and gray, which is like a light black, right? And then we have these brown crystals, and I'm going to be using black wax cording. And I think the challenge was to make a set, and it was of 3 pieces. So I automatically think of necklace, bracelet, and earrings. So let's see what I can come up with. I always like to try to do the whole challenge. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to make a necklace. I'm going to take these beads and string them on to this cording, and then I'm going to crochet, just a chain stitch, a beaded chain stitch. FYI, the holes to these little crystals are very, very small. So I took a pair of scissors and I cut my cording into a point, just at an angle. And that way they thread into those little bitty holes a lot easier. All right, I've got this piece finished. I took wax cording and I strung 22 8mm beads. And I believe these are like 4mm beads. And there were 23 of them that I strung. Just did every other one. This really reminds me of maybe a celestial piece. These kind of look like moons or planets, don't they? And then we've got the little crystals in there. So basically, after I strung them up, I just did a chain stitch. I did chain 3, and I went ahead and put the clasp on there. And then brought up a bead, chain 3, brought up another bead, chain 3, another bead, and so forth until I got to the end, and ending with part of the clasp there, crocheting it in there and pulling out the string, and then trimming it off and just fraying the ends for a boho look there. But I really think these turned out very nicely. I love the shine on them that the crystals have. This winds up being, I believe, a 22-inch necklace, 22.5 inch. And you can also use it as a bracelet. It goes around my wrist 3 times. This is supposed to be a set, a 3-piece set. I'm counting this as 2 pieces because you can use it as a necklace or you could use it as a bracelet. So then I had to come up with one more thing, and so I made some earrings. And I don't know about these. I just basically did them the same way I did the necklace bracelet combo piece, but I just used 3 of the 8mm beads, 2 of the 4mm beads, and tied them together. I did keep it in there and just frayed it off. And we have a little boho, shabby chic, celestial planet moon pair of earrings. They're loop. I mean, I guess if you didn't want them to be a loop, you could squish them and kind of twist them. Let me see if that works. Something like that. You have 2 different ways you could wear them. But like I said, I'm not sure about these. I really love the way this turned out. This may be a stretch. What do you think? I still need to try to figure out how to crochet some earrings. I know it can be done, but I just haven't come up with a design that I really like that well. So these are my creations. Remember, this is 2 pieces here. But this is my creation for the Fun Making Jewelry Challenge hosted by Deb Houck of Dahlia Designs. I'll leave links to all the other people that are participating in this challenge in the description box below. So I hope you go check out what they have made. And thanks for joining me. Y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with the Tapping Flamingo signing out for now. Bye-bye.